everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. So in this video I will be sharing with you guys my skincare routine. So basically my nighttime as well as morning skincare routine just varies by a couple of steps, but in this video I will be sharing with you guys my morning skincare routine. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So step number 1 is using a cleanser. I use this Cetaphil cleanser. It is their gentle skin cleanser. I belong to a dry skin family, so I use the variant dry to normal sensitive skin. This face wash is extremely gentle on your skin. I have been using this for years at this point and I never reach out to any other cleanser, so I would highly recommend this one. Step number 2 is using a toner. Toner basically helps you restore the pH balance of your skin. So I use this facial spray by Mario Badescu. It is their facial spray with aloe, chamomile and lavender. I go back and forth between usual rose water and this spray. Rose water is the most basic toner that you can use and it smells amazing. I love rose water. More than the benefits, I usually just use this because it feels fresh instantly once you spray it on. Also, this is suitable for all skin types, so do check this out. Okay, the next step is using an under eye cream. I personally have a lot of dark circles, so I always reach out for an under eye cream. It doesn't necessarily help me with reducing my dark circles, but it just hydrates and moisturizes my under eye area, which makes me feel good. This one is Melaleumin under eye cream. This was recommended to me by my dermat, so I got this from India. Also, this comes with a roller which makes the application super simple, so I really like this. But before this, I reached out to Olinskin's under eye cream. I'll pop it on the screen right now. Next, I go for this serum right here. Even this was recommended to me by my dermat. It says that it has combination of antioxidants for aging skin. It has vitamin C and E, which is supposed to be good for your skin. I have been using this for the past, I would say, 2 months, and so far I'm loving it. It is a little greasy on your skin, so you don't have to apply a lot, just apply a couple of drops. Next, I use my moisturizer. I belong to dry skin family, so moisturizer is extremely important. I cannot skip this one. So this one is by Clinique. It is their moisturizing gel. It's extremely light on your skin and gets in absorbed immediately. I really like to take my own sweet time and just massage my skin when I apply my moisturizer. It just makes me feel good about everything in life. Next step is something that you cannot afford to miss. It is applying the sunscreen. I have 2 variants that I absolutely love. The first one is by Supergroup. It is their unseen sunscreen. It is water as well as sweat resistant and it has SPF 40. The second recommendation that I have is Mamaearth's Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen, and it has SPF 50 in this. I have started using this recently, and Supergroup one I have been using for the past, I think, couple of years. So this is like my OG favorite. And the last step is using a lip balm. If you have been watching my videos, you know that the Laneige lip balm is my absolute favorite. I just cannot live without this. It is in the variant Sweet Candy. I have tried the vanilla variant as well as the berry variant. So it is the lip sleeping mask, but I do apply during daytime as well. It moisturizes my lips really well. Also, it tastes amazing. Not that you are supposed to eat this, but yeah. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel below, follow me on my Instagram, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.